When I went to W.I.S doing accounts, I didn't even know how to debit and credit. And the first day I stepped in that class and Mr. Williams started to teach me. I know accounts. I was on top of the class along with my friends.
W.I.S is a very good place.
W.I.S is a great school. The teachers are great.
You can ask them any question.
The teachers were excellent. They were very cooperative.
You feel welcomed by the teachers. The classes are never boring.
Space is nice. The bathrooms are clean.
You see, anywhere you're there, if you see Mars and you're not watching Likkle Wizzies, you're not dead nowhere. You're not dead nowhere.
What you say? You never hear about Likkle Wizzies? Big up Likkle Wizzies.
Hey, Wiz Nation. It's Rachel and
Brianna.
And you guys must make sure to subscribe to Likkle Wizzies.
Hello guys, this is Bigger Brother from Likkle Wizzies and today we're with
Rian Gray.
Madison Somerville.
My name is Candice Owens.
My name is Rachel Foot. My name is Brianna Linton.
Benjamin Foot.
Damian Stewart.
Bigger Brother here from Likkle Wizzies. So today we're doing another success story interview. So you mind telling us a little bit about yourself?
I am 13 and I'm from Mannings.
I'm 15. I attend Mannings.
I'm 16 years old and I am going into grade 11 and I attend Manning School.
I'm 14 years old and I attend the Manning School. I attend Hampton School and I'm 15 years of age.
I just graduated from D Manning School and I'm going to sixth form.
I'm 17 and I'm a past student of D Manning School.
Okay, so I'm getting to understand that you did CSEC this year, right?
Yeah.
What subjects did you do?
I did POA.
This year I did POA and POB. Last year I did Social Studies and HSB.
I did Social Studies and Human and Social Bio.
I did 2 this year. I did Human and Social Biology and Principles of Accounts. I did 3 subjects this year. I did Mathematics, Principle of Business and Principle of Accounts.
POB and HSB.
I did accounts at W.I.S this year along with my several subjects that I did at Mannings.
So what grade level did you get this subject in?
1.
All of them were range 1.
You get the whole of them in a grade 1? You hear that, people? Whoa. How much you get them in?
I got both of them in ones.
What were your grades like?
I got grade 1 in POA distinction and then a grade 1 in HSC. I achieved a 1 in each subject.
You mean all of them?
I did 2 and I got 1 in both of them.
You mean all of them?
Yes.
Like as in all of them?
Yes.
Was this your first time doing CSEC or have you done it before?
I did 2 last year. I did POB and POA and I got both ones.
I've done 2 subjects before. I did them last year. I did Principles of Business and IT.
The grades?
I got 1 in IT and 2 in POB.
Okay, how many subjects did you do?
I did 4 subjects. I did Social Studies, HSB, POB and POA. And I got all of them in range 1.
No, I did Information Technology in third form.
Well, I only did IT when I was in third form.
You hear that? 4 subjects and in grade 1?
Western Institute of Secondary Education came into being in 2002. My ambition was to offer a day school program because at the end of CSEC, fifth form, not all students are successful. W.I.S Day School came about for those kind of people. If you weren't successful, then W.I.S Day School would have been the place. The day school program starts at 9 o'clock in the mornings, ends at about 2:30. We offer physics, chemistry, biology, HSB, human and social biology, social studies, principles of business, principles of accounts, EDPM, office administration, mathematics and English language. We also offer CAPE subjects. We cater for St. Elizabeth or bordering Westmoreland or Hanover. Even people as far as St. James come to W.I.S Day School.
So So you sat the exams at school or you did it somewhere else?
I didn't do them at my school. I did them at W.I.S.E.
I did them at W.I.S.E.
Where did you do the subject?
At W.I.S.E. I did it at W.I.S.E. I did 4 at W.I.S.E.
I went to W.I.S.E.
Accounts at W.I.S E.
So you mind telling us a little bit about this institute?
W.I.S.E. is a very good place.
W.I.S.E. is a great school. The teachers are great.
It's a very nice institute.
It is nice.
It's great.
The teachers are nice.
The teachers are very friendly.
In my opinion, W.I.S.E. is the best extra class in the west of Jamaica.
You can ask them any question.
W.I.S is the best institution in the western part of Jamaica.
My experience at W.I.S.E. was a good one.
It doesn't feel like a school, but you're learning more.
I was open to a different type of environment. I met a lot of persons.
When you go there, you just feel welcomed by the teachers. The classes are never boring.
The teachers were excellent. They were very cooperative and very lenient with their time.
The classes are very entertaining.
The environment is just, you feel safe.
The teachers are always there to help you if you need it.
Everybody just
You always have fun, but you always learn. Teachers are always understanding. They always go through the stuff that you're not sure about and they never get frustrated.
I know personally that it is because of out of the help that I've gotten here is why I've gotten my grade 1s.
Without those teachers, I wouldn't be where I am because they helped me along the way.
You're saying if I go to W.I.S.E. I will get 1 in my subjects as well?
Of course.
Not only a top-notch institution, but the teachers are really helpful.
Remember, W.I.S.E. Evening Institute to do your CSEC subjects, especially if you want grade 1s.
go subscribe, like, and comment. Watch them on YouTube.
So how did you prepare to sit these exams?
Getting my act together and deciding to study. Discipline and determination.
I studied really hard.
It's a lot of hard work, but then when you really see the results at the end, you're really happy about it.
It was very tiring and I had to focus on the end product, which would be the grades that I got.
You hear that, people? Discipline and determination is the way to get grade 1s like her in your subjects. How did you feel when you heard your results for the subject?
I was very surprised.
I felt excited. I felt good.
Didn't feel surprised because I actually studied for them and my mother expected me for once.
How did your family feel when you passed your exams?
Well, my mother was very proud.
Well, my mother was very proud because I did a couple of my exams at the nurse because I was really sick.
How did you feel when you got their results for the exams?
So how did you feel when your daughter passed the subject?
Oh, really? I'm thrilled. I'm so happy. I can't stop telling people. Feeling is an understatement.
They were very proud and overwhelmed.
My mother nearly bawled, brother, but she happy.
I was so excited. I was doing my nail and I flip over the whole of the woman table.
My mother was crying. Pure eye water, pure eye water, pure eye water.
So what you get? iPhone 10, Samsung?
Mommy, can we have a party at the house?
I got a congratulations and a hug.
Mommy, thank you. I'm crying. I can't believe that I did it. Mommy, I have the confidence to just shell out everything now. I feel energized for the new school year. I'm going to settle down. Thank goodness you made me do the POA.
So you had to buy back anything?
Not really. I apologize. And she understood.
Try and find time to relax, but also you have to
How would you say to the viewers or people contemplating doing the subject?
Probably think about it first, and if you end up doing it, study hard and don't procrastinate.
You have to study and pay attention in classes, and you have to really want this for yourself to be able to get it.
Just work hard, study hard, and make sure you do the subject early.
Nothing comes easy in life. If it comes easy, it may not be good.
If you're going to subjects, just do them at W.I.S.E.
And I will continue to tell people that Mr. Wisdom's program, the program at W.I.S.E, it is the best program if you want results. All you need is a committed student who wants to achieve something, because these teachers are committed and they are going to ensure that you get everything that you need in order to succeed. If you're not a student who is committed, then you'll come and you will not see the results. But once you're committed, and it doesn't matter how old you are, from as young as first form, you did it in first form and got a grade 1. So, I mean, the results are there for everybody to see.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your time. So that was our interview with Rachel Foot, Ryan Gray.
Candice Owen.
Thank you for participating. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
It's always a pleasure.
So this is Likkle Wizzies, and this is Likkle Wizzies signing out.
So me I say yeah, follow them on Instagram. I don't know Likkle Wizzies real. Don't know big up little brother, big brother. Know them from them a little youth. Them a do them thing.